Your life will be changed from today. You'll be amazed to know all these shoe hacks I'm going to give you. Today I'm going to give you some 10 shoe hacks for you. Number 1 shoe hack is the smelly shoe hack with a tea bag. First thing, you take bath nicely, you dressed up very well, going for work, going for college, going for school. Then you find your shoes very smelly, so you have to throw them. No. So here's what you can do. Take a tea bag, put it on both sides of your shoes and leave it overnight. The next morning it will be fresh as new. It won't sting anymore and it will be smelling as good as new. Number 2 shoe hack is to prevent the blisters when you are wearing shoes in summer. Now especially in summer time, you don't want to wear socks while wearing sneakers. So here's what you can do. Take any deodorant which you have, apply on the back of your feet, you will be good to go. After that, you can wear comfortably without any pain. This deodorant option also can be substituted by lip balm. Lip balm, we take it everywhere in our pockets, so you can just take it out and rub. Number 3 hack is the gum problem, chewing gum problem. Sometimes we stood on the chewing gum, unfortunately. It's very irritating to see the chewing gum laying on the back of your shoes and you can't take it out. So here's what you can do in this hack. Find a piece of ice and put it directly into the gum. What will happen is that ice will make the gum harder so that you can remove it very easily after that. My number 4 hack is cleaning dirty sneakers, especially the white sneakers. It's very difficult to maintain a white sneakers. So here's what you can do in this hack. You can apply some toothpaste on the shoes. You can start rubbing gently with toothbrush and it will be good as new. Even for the laces, keep in a bowl, mix a toothpaste with water, keep in that bowl for around 15 to 20 minutes, then it will be good as white as new. The 5th hack is drying out the wet shoes. Nobody likes to get wet, but sometimes we do get caught in the rain and there is nothing we can do about it. But there is a simple hack I have for you. Find a dry place somewhere, put a newspaper over that newspaper, keep your wet shoes and stick some newspaper inside each of the shoes. What the newspaper will do is the newspaper will absorb the excess moisture, helping your shoes dry out in a hurry. Number 6 hack is bigger shoe hack. Sometimes we order shoes online which we like and we find it bigger than our size, and sometimes we find it a half size too big for us. So here's what you can do. You're gonna take some insole and put it inside the shoe, and that insole will make your shoe snug and make you comfortable. That insole will make your shoe even more fitting than before. Number 7 hack, sleeping shoes. We find it very uncomfortable when we first buy a shoes and that shoes is very slippery on the ground. We almost slip through. So here's a shoe hack for you. Use a sandpaper and sand the bottom of the shoes that have slipping soles and do it gently. It works like a charm. Number 8 hack, candle shoe hack. This is also called waterproof hack. This is very useful in the winter time and especially in the rainy season. Here's what you can do. Take some wax, take any candle, apply that candle on the shoe. So once you're done applying, if you have a hair dryer, make it hot on the wax. So now when you walk in the rain, that water won't come inside your shoes and you will be very safe. Water won't come inside your shoes, just flow out from your shoes. And that is a perfect excellent hack. My number 9 shoe hack, tight shoe hack. What happens when you buy a shoe a little bit tight for your foot size? In this hack, what you can do is put a thick pair of socks, wear the shoes, aim a hair dryer on a tight section of the shoes for a few seconds while wedging your toes and bending your feet inside the shoes. Keep the shoes on for a bit a while until they cool down. And that's it, done. And if you need extra space, just repeat the process. And number 10 hack is for traveling. Pack your shoes in the shower cap when you travel. So that way, they won't dirty your nice clothes and clean clothes. No one wants to get their clothes destroyed on a beautiful long journey. So that's it basically from me today. If you like this video, make sure you give a thumbs up and comment down below what you want to know from me next. And also make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Till next time, bye guys.